Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about our first chapter, the fun they had. So let's start our lesson. The story The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov is about the year 2157 when every child has his own machine teacher and schools like today do not exist anymore. Asimov wrote his story in 1951 for a syndicated newspaper page. Later, The Fun They Had was published in Fantasy and Science Fiction magazine. It is set in the future. It will make all of you love school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school. The setting of the story is in the future when perhaps there will be no school, no books. Now, how those students will miss going to school, we will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, you all had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie who comes to know that their ancestors used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that school life is very good and we are fortunate that we have real schools where we go, meet friends, and get a chance to study together. Margie is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. Right now, we are living in 2020. As told earlier, the story is set in the future and it is set in the year 2157. So, almost 1.5 century, that is 140 years from now. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book and she is feeling so strange because in her times real books do not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. So books in the format of print on paper are extinct and so Margie is astonished to see a real book. Tommy, one day of um, 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book. He showed it to Margie. Margie was 11 years old. She had never seen a real book before. She had once heard from her grandfather about the printed books. It was a very old book. Its pages have turned yellow and crinky. They turned its pages and read them. Tommy found it just a waste. They had no printed books. Their books flashed on the television screen. Tommy, who was of 13, had read more books on the television screen than Margie. Tommy told Margie that it was a book about school. Margie always hated school. Her school was situated in a room in her home. It was in the room next to her bedroom. Her mechanical teacher flashed on her television screen at a fixed time daily except on Saturday and Sunday. She had to attend alone. This mechanical teacher asked her questions, gave her homework, and checked it. It also checked the assignment test papers and awarded them. Margie's mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. Margie's performance had been going from worst to worst. Her mother called for the country inspector. He set the speed of the mechanical teacher right up to the inspector. He set the speed of the mechanical teacher right up to the level of an average 10-year child. Tommy told Margie that hundreds and hundreds of years ago there was old kind of schools. Those schools were situated in a special building. Men teachers taught in them. All the kids in the area went there and learned the same thing. Margie thought that it would be great fun to study in those schools. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Just then, Margie's mother called Margie to attend her school. Margie was reluctant, but she had to go inside her schoolroom. Nonchalantly, it was right next to her bedroom. Her mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It asked Margie to put her homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. The mechanical teacher was teaching her mathematics topic of fractions, but she thinking about the schools of the old day and the fun they had. Theme and message. The main theme in the short story, The Fun They Had, is that of education. More specifically, the narrative deals with the future of education, which will become increasingly computerized and estranged from social interactions. The author's message is one of warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which deprives children of the benefits of the personal interactions between students and teachers, which help them to develop many social skills. Ultimately, the theme is to understand the importance of the present time lively school atmosphere in which we keep on finding fault over nothing. Although this is a science fiction short story, the story's theme deals more with human nature, with Margie wishing she lived in previous times where they could go to school and have so much fun. The grass is always greener anywhere. The purpose of the author is certainly an interesting story, entertaining in a traditional plot sense, but very informative as a look at the future. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.